Jackson Rancheria. I found a game I haven't played before. Kokeshi? Dolls? I don't know. But they're so cute, aren't they? We're just putting $20 in, 88-cent bet to see what it can do. Let's turn up the volume. There we go. Aww.
The dolls are wild.
I don't think I've ever seen this design. What is it? Who makes it?
The name of the company has a Z as a symbol.
Oh, that's the one we saw.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. A couple years ago. Oh, I got it. I don't know what I got, but I got it. Oh, it's a hold and spin. Come on. Okay, every time you get one, you get 3 more spins. Oh, come on, find one. Yay. Nice. Come on, keep collecting. Let's see a word. Uh-oh. Come on, find something. Anything. Find it. Oh, I got a mini. Oh, I saw minor 44. I thought the mini was 44. Mini's 17. There's progresses. Come on, find another word. Come on, find another one. Come on, find a word. Oh. Minute. Oh, it's 88 Link. Lucky Charms. Aww. Nice. Backup spin. We only started with 20 and now we're up to... Oh wait. Did I start with 40?
Yep.
I thought I only put in 20.
Oh, good. That's nice music.
Oh, I put in a ticket from the other machine and we cashed out with 20. And then I put in a $20 bill thinking that we cashed out with just cents. Okay. I thought I was going crazy.
Now our pot's small.
Aw, tiny little pot. But does it matter? Usually it does not.
Oh, no.
Come on. I'll do a few more spins, see what it looks like.
Okay.
Got Jack, honey. 40 cents. Woo. Oh, do it again.
No.
I got $1 though.
Okay.
I like it when it goes up there. It's exciting. I want to see this scatter. $0.30. Oh.
No pot.
Oh, it's gotten bigger though. But does it matter? Oh wow, it's back to where it was when we sat down.
Yep.
But does that just mean it's going to stay that way until someone hits it? Or does that mean it's actually close? Usually it just means it's going to stay that way. I have 50 cents. We won't go below 60. Then at least we made 20 bucks. And we got to see it. Okay, well the pays are very small.
The what?
The pays are very small.
Very small, yes.
Line hits. So you gotta get that. 20 cents. It acts like it's counting up forever. Oh, there's 2. I need 3, I think. Come on, show us your scatter. Nope. Uh-oh, we're running low. 20 cents again. Do it. Oh. Okay. Well, we're leaving it the way we found it. Oh no, we got another spin. Nice, last spin. Oh, another. Oh. I don't know. No, I think we only got 82 cents.
Oh, just
Nope.
short.
Oh well. That was 88 Link Lucky Charms with a name I can't say, dolls. Thanks for watching. Over for these slots. Lightning Link Sahara Gold for Jackson Rancheria. And Greg triggered the Holden Spin bonus. I put $20 cash in and $24 of free play, and we were getting nothing. And this is our first win.
And I tried to remind you that we just went below $20.
Yeah, he wanted me to stop. I said, no, I'm feeling it. We're on nickel denomination, $1.25 a bet, and this ball right here is $125. Thanks, honey.
Oh, you're welcome. Oops.
Apparently a license slept. Sorry, inappropriate.
Come on, big numbers attract big numbers.
Usually, or they could just attract that $14,000 grant. I'm fine. Oh, come on, keep going. Uh-oh, last spin, honey. Can you save it?
I hope so.
Can we find one more big number or word?
On the high note.
Come on, land. Oh, yeah, you landed something. Oh, nice. There's $25. Ooh, 2 more.
The hard square is still there, though.
Oh. Oh, and
I
it's the
got
last one there.
just the hard square.
Just the hard one. You can do it. You just have to time it right. Okay. Okay. So now the last ball that needs to land is the major. Okay? You can do it.
Okay. I know.
Come on. Bam. Nope. Still a very good bonus. I would say an amazing bonus. Cha-ching. 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 Oh, only $300 on a $1.25 bet. Awesome. That is a very big win. And we will do a backup spin. Okay, thanks for watching.